Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 5-bed, 4.5 bath mansion in Blandford Villas Estate. Blandford Villas is at the corner of Blandford Road and Belair's Drive. On the Belair's Drive end, you've got North Riding Square where there's the Checkers, there is restaurants, there's bars, there's a gym, there's a swim school, I mean, you name it. Then right opposite the estate, you've got the Acacia School. It is a Cambridge International Curriculum school. Then the house is a double-storey, has a double automated garage, 11-kilowatt inverter, a private pool, pet-friendly garden. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on. So I'm pretty excited to show this on to you, so come on right in and have a look. Welcome to the tour of this magnificent 5-bed, 4.5 bath, double-storey full title house for sale in Blandford Villas. You have a double automated garage, a carport that can fit 2 cars, and you can put 2 more cars next to that, making it a total of 6 parking spots. Upon entry, you're welcomed by this well-manicured, pet-friendly garden, equipped with a built-in braai area, a private pool, and you have this very spacious patio. Just have a look at this garden. The pool cover provides you with some comfortability, knowing that your kids can play in the yard without falling into the pool. This masterpiece is perfect for a family that loves to entertain. Let's enter the house. To the left, you have this double automated extended garage which can fit 2 double cabs. You also have 11-kilowatt inverter which can power the entire house during load shedding. The house is an open plan design with a bar in the middle. To the left, you've got a lounge with an aircon, and then to your right, you can have your dining also with an aircon. Both the lounge and the dining lead out to patios. The lounge has some very beautiful cladding on the wall, as well as these trellis doors for the patios. The dining also leads out to a patio through this sliding door, and this patio was just tiled. Next, we have this very spacious chef's kitchen with space for a double door fridge that has a purified water inlet. The kitchen also has a breakfast bar and is topped with granite. The kitchen has plenty of cupboard space and is equipped with a vegetable rack as well. You have space for your microwave and an eye-level oven. It also has a D-Fi extractor fan as well as a D-Fi touch control stove that heats up instantly. The kitchen also has a scullery that has plenty of space for 2 under-counter appliances, double sink, as well as a water purifier. To top it all off, the kitchen has a walk-in pantry. It has plenty of shelving and some more space to the left. Downstairs we have 1 bedroom. It is laminated flooring, aluminium windows, and plenty of built-in cupboard space. It was previously used as a study, but you have the option to use it as a study or a 5th bedroom. Downstairs we have a guest room. It has its own vanity mirror as well as a basin, tiled from top to bottom. All that was just downstairs. On your way upstairs, you have this huge window which provides some excellent natural light. And then you are welcomed by this very, very beautiful chandelier. You have an extra linen cupboard, and to the right, you have the 1st bedroom upstairs, making it a total of 2 bedrooms so far. It is laminated flooring, aluminium windows, curtain rods, and plenty of cupboard space, as you can see. So it is an in-suite bathroom, which is a full bathroom with a bathtub and a shower. There's a vanity mirror, a basin topped with granite, and some more cupboard space underneath the basin. Opposite there, we've got the 3rd bedroom. Also has laminated flooring, built-in cupboard space, curtain rods, as well as its in-suite bathroom. bathroom has aluminium windows tiled from top to bottom. It has a vanity mirror and granite countertops for the basin. And that's not all. This room has its own private balcony. Next, we have the fourth bedroom, which is right on top of the garage. Equipped with an air conditioner, laminated flooring, also has aluminium windows and curtain rods, same as the other rooms, and this one has plenty of cupboard space. Well, that's not all. It also has its own bathroom. The bathroom has a shower, vanity mirror, as well as a basin with a granite top and cupboard space underneath. As you can see, it's a very spacious bedroom. You can fit a king-size bed, and it also has its own private balcony. You've got nice views of the estate for you to enjoy in the mornings and the evenings. Now to the master suite of this magnificent property. Upon entry, you're welcomed by this walk-in closet which has enough cupboard space for his and hers. To the left, you have a dressing table with a vanity mirror with some more cupboard space there as well. And then you've got the in-suite bathroom. It has a spa bath tiled from the top to the bottom, has his and hers vanity basins, more cupboard space underneath the basins, granite countertops, and then the spacious walk-in shower. The bathroom also has aluminium windows along with the entire house, like I mentioned before, tiled from top to bottom, and goes without saying that it is very, very spacious. The bedroom has laminated flooring, an air conditioner, as well as some more cupboard space to the left. If cupboard space is what you're looking for, you should not be looking any further. And then of course, it has its own private balcony. So half the balcony is covered and the other isn't, to allow some nice beautiful lighting for you to enjoy, especially on those winter evenings and mornings. Out of all the 4 rooms upstairs, all 4 have their own in-suite bathrooms and 3 of them have their own private balconies. But that's not all. You still have some more yard space at the back of the house. I mean, it is on a 557 square meter stand after all. You've got your washing lines there. Like I did mention before, it's a pet-friendly garden, so plenty of space for your pets to run around. And you also have a storage space at the back where you can put all your garden tools, your hoses, and things of that nature. This is one of the biggest houses and biggest stand sizes in the entire estate. So if you're looking for space for a big family, look no further. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the 5-bed, 4.5 bath double-story house with a double automated garage, private pool, pet-friendly garden for sale in Blandford Villas. So if you like to book your private viewing, just click on the link below.